Hey there, in this quick video, I'm going to share with you how you can possibly fix if your Dreo humidifier is not working, some ideas that I found also online, and the manual is completely useless. There is nothing in it, to be honest. So the first thing, okay, this is the standard clean it. There is also an official video from the Dreo how to clean the humidifier. And when you're gonna have a right Dreo humidifier cleaning, you're just gonna find it right here. So just check that and go by just following the process. The second thing that you can try to just like when you're gonna unplug it for like 15-20 minutes. Maybe it's going to work out, maybe it's going to be some kind of like technical issue. The third thing that you can try to do, maybe it's going to work out, you're gonna have a power button. So press and hold the power button for like 10-15 seconds. This is another thing, how to like possibly to reset it. And also another thing that you can try to hit it. I know it sounds strange, but this is something that I found for a different kind of humidifier, that the person tried literally everything and they just like slowly just hit it like this, and it just started working for some reason. So this is another thing. Try it out, just try, you will see if it's going to work or no. And the last thing that you can try, disassemble it from the bottom. And this is something that you have to actually, like if you are at least a little bit of tech savvy and you know how to work with the screws and stuff like that. So try to disassemble that and see if there is water or something within it, right? Within that you have to like let it dry out completely and just clean it with the paper towel and just dry out, assemble it again and then use it. These are just like ideas that I just wanted to throw out. And if this video was useless, I'm sorry. I just really like to make these videos, and I hope this video was at least a little bit of helpful to solving the issue, because like these manuals these people do, they are like, you know, they're not talking about possible ways how it can't work. And of course, you're gonna warranty there. So have a great day and goodbye.